Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, oh.
So this is under $10. So are you ready to do your nails under $10? You can go to CVS and get this, and you will be so happy that it's only $4.99, honey. $4.99. It comes with all of these treats. You can use these treats to do your nails, baby, for under $10. You can use whatever polish you prefer. If you don't have none, then that will add some money to the $10. Okay, so I am filing my nails right now, and I'm so excited because, girl, I am not spending $25 to get my nails done. So I'm struggling to get this glue open, y'all. But later on in the video, I'm gonna have to replace it because, girl, it was so sticky. I was like, oh no, she didn't put that in this package. Like, you knew this glue was sticky like that. Why would you put that in there? It had a hole on the side of it. I had to take a break. And then I decided to go on my other nail pack and use that glue. But yeah, y'all. Go ahead and watch this video. I'm going to stop talking.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, who to me, you got some coordination. I say, slay trick or you get eliminated. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, who to me, you got some coordination. I say, slay trick or you get eliminated.
Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces.
My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. I like my baby hair with baby hair and afro. I like my Negro nose with Jackson 5 nostrils. I earned all this money, but they never take the country off me. I got hot sauce in my bag. I see it, I want it. I stunt yellow on it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it. I twirl on the tomatoes, albino alligators, El Camino with a CeeLo, sipping Cuervo and no chisa. Sometimes I go off, I go hard. Yeah, what's mine? Hey, what's mine? I'm a star, cause I slay. All day. I slay. We gon' slay. We slay. I slay. Okay. I slay. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Cause I slay. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I slay. Who to me, you got some coordination. I slay. Slay trick or you get eliminated.